Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today, I'm going to start exercise 7.1 based on fractions. Now, come to the second question. Let's start with second question. Solve. So, note down side by side. A part is 1 by 18 plus 1 by 18. Now, check. The first fraction is 1 upon 18. The second fraction is 1 upon 18. So both are like fractions. Like fractions. So if the fractions are like, then you will write the denominator here like this. So 18. In the first fraction, in the numerator, what will you observe? 1. So write 1 here. The sign of plus. Again, come to the second fraction. In the second fraction, we have 1. So 1. So this is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by 18. Cancellation in the table of 2. So we will cancel it in the table of 2. 2 1 2, 2 9 18. So what is the result? In the result, you will write 1 by 9. So note down, this method we will apply if the given fractions are like fractions. So write here denominator. In the first fraction, the denominator is 18. In the second fraction, denominator is 18. So you will write here denominator along with numerator. Check the numerator. This is 1. So you will write here 1. After that plus, you will write here plus, again 1. So 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 by 18. Both are the multiple of 2. So cancellation in the table of 2. So note down. Then we will start second part. Note down. Here, come to the next D part. 1 by 22 plus 21 by 22. Akshit Miglani, you are on mute. Akshit Miglani, unmute yourself from your side. Yes, Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
How can we solve this sum? D part 1 upon 22 plus 21 by 22. Tell me. 1 upon 22 and 21 by 22. Which kind of fraction? What is the nature of these fractions?
Ma'am.
What is the nature of these fractions?
Ma'am, first of all,
What I am saying, these are which kind of fractions?
ma'am, these are.
Yes, these are like fractions. As the denominator same, like fractions. जानवी आपने वीडियो देखी है जो मैंने भेजी थी और मैंने लिखा था इट इज कंपल्सरी टू चेक द वीडियो ऑन सैटरडे. नहीं वो आपने ना Saturday I will send the video based on like fraction and unlike fraction. You have seen that videos? Now like fractions 22. So 1 plus 21.
Ma'am,
So 20.
ma'am, yes, I have seen.
तो बेटा आपको पता
Ma'am,
थी,
I see all.
you have seen, then why
Ma'am,
you
I'm just
then why you didn't know the meaning of like fraction and unlike fraction? On Saturday I have
Ma'am,
said
I'm
na.
confused.
Why you are confused?
Ma'am, I'm confused.
Why you are confused? No need to get confused in future, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So Amarjot, I have already sent that videos in the maths group. You are writing here na, send that videos in the maths group. That videos are already in the maths group. And from the school side you also receive one link, and on that link all the videos are available. Now cancellation in the table of 22, cancellation you will get the result as 1. Now come to the next part. So if the fractions are like fractions, then you will apply this method. Come to the next part is the G part. 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. Now here you will observe this is 1. So we can write this as 1 by 1. I am repeating once again. 1 is given to you. This 1 is given to you. So first of all we will modify it and we will write 1 by 1. Now in the first fraction denominator is 1. This is the first fraction. The denominator is 1 because if nothing in the denominator then we will write 1 here. And in the second fraction we have 3. So 1 and 3. Whenever you will take out the LCM of 1 and 3, LCM of 1 and 3 is equal to 3. So you will write here 3. Write here 3. Now like this. 1 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by 3. 3 minus 2. So that is 1 by 3. I am repeating once again. I am repeating this sum once again. 1 minus 2 by 3. If nothing in the denominator, then you will write 1 here. After that, take out the LCM of 1 and 3 because both are unlike fractions. So LCM of any number with 1 is number itself. So right here 1 and 3, the LCM is 3. Here is 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3 minus 2. So the result is equal to 1 by 3. This method we will apply if we have two fractions and one fraction with denominator 1. I am repeating, we will apply this method if we have two fractions and first fraction with denominator 1. Note down. Check.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 3 minus 12 by 5. Tell me, how can you solve this sum?
First, we will write denominator 3 over 1.
Very good. Here we will write 3 over 1. Very good. What is the next step?
Then we will find the LCM of 1 and 5.
The LCM of any number with 1 is? Yes, LCM of 1 and 5 is equal to?
5.
5. Keep in mind, the LCM of any number with 1 is a number itself. So after that you will write here 5. Now tell me the next step.
And then we will multiply 5 by 3.
Very good. 5 with 3. So 3 multiplied by 5, 15 minus 12. So the result is equal to 3 by 5. Well done. Very good. Note down all of you. Note down. Well done. After that, we will start third question. Devang.
Yes, ma'am.
Devang, read third question.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly, don't waste time.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes. All of you from the book page number 158. Open your books page number 158 based on exercise 7.5. All of you.
Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall space in his room. His sister Madhvi helped and painted 1/3 of the wall space. How much did they paint it together?
Yes. Devang, tell me, the question is based on how much did they paint together. Together is the indication of which operation in mathematics? Together word is the indication
Addition.
of, very good. Together word is the indication of addition word in mathematics. So here you will write, here one side you have Shubham and second side his sister. You will write here Shubham painted 2/3 of the wall. And his sister
1/3.
yes, painted 1/3 of the wall. So wall, write down, wall they painted together. Wall they painted together. Here, together is the indication of addition operation. Together means this sum is based on addition. So 2/3 plus 1/3. Now Devang, tell me, how can you solve this sum? What is the nature of these two fractions? Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 divided by
First of all,
2
tell
plus
me,
1.
Devang, first of all, tell me, these are which kind of fractions? 2/3.
Like fractions.
Yes. So these are like fractions. These are like fractions. Now, in like fractions, you will solve this simply. Denominator is 3. In the numerator, you have 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1, 3/3. After cancellation, you will get 3. So here, you will write the result. What is the meaning of one? What is the meaning? One means full wall they painted together. One means full wall. Full wall. One is a whole number. So full wall. So the question is, how much did they paint together? They painted together full wall. So in the result you will write here, they painted together. They painted together full wall. Full. One is a whole number, one means complete. So note down all of you. Arpita. Arpita, on your video and unmute yourself from your side. Arpita, you are unmute. Press unmute button from your side. Yes. Are you hearing me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Arpita, now tell me, how can we solve this sum? The next sum is based on, now students come to the fourth question.
Ma'am, I'm Arman.
You are Arman? Sorry. Wait. Yes, Arpita. Ashima. Guneet. बेटा वाई आर यू वेस्टिंग टाइम? मेरा भी, अपने फ्रेंड्स का भी, मैं यहाँ से आपको अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ, आप उधर से अनम्यूट का बटन नहीं प्रेस कर रहे. यस. नाउ Guneet, tell me, the fourth question is based on fill the missing numbers. Fill the missing numbers. The question is 7 by 10 minus this is equal to 3 by 10. In this question we have left hand side as well as right hand side. Now on left hand side we have 7 by 10 and on right hand side we have 3 by 10. Guneet, tell me 7 by 10 and 3 by 10. Which kind of fractions?
Ma'am, like fraction.
Yes, here we have 7 by 10 and 3 by 10, both are like fractions. Now, in like fractions, it is very much easy to solve this sum, very much. Now, which number, Guneet, tell me, which number you will write here so that in result you will get 3? 7 minus, which number you will write here so that you will get 3 as a result? 7 minus what? Yes. 7 minus what is equal to 3? Guneet, 7 minus what is equal to 3?
7 minus 4.
Yes, 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So you will write here in the result, this blank is equal to 4 by 10. So here you will write 4 by 10. So this is the way to solve the sum. 7 by 10 minus 4 by 10. If the fractions are like,
आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज नहीं आ रही, क्या बोलते?
if the fractions are like, then it is very much easy to solve the sum.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Now the next is Bishop. Yes, Bishop, are you hearing me? Now come to the C part. Dash minus 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6. Now Bishop, tell me, these two fractions are which kind of fractions?
Like fraction.
Very good. These two fractions are like fractions. 3 by 6, 3 by 6 like fractions. So what number you will write here? What number you will write here to get 3 as a result? Tell me. What number minus 3 is equal to 3? Very good, Khushi.
And
Good
6
response.
minus 3.
Very good. 6 minus 3. So here you will write 6 upon 6. Because the denominator 6 now. So you will write here 6.
Yes, ma'am.
6 minus 3 is equal to 3. But the denominator is equal to 6. So you will write here 6. Very good. Well done. Good response.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now come to the last part, fifth part. Fifth. Harmanpreet Singh,
Yes, ma'am.
read fifth question.
Ma'am, which question?
Fifth question, exercise 7.5, fifth question.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you. Ma'am, please repeat.
Exercise 7.5, fifth question. Fifth.
Fifth.
Yes.
Ma'am, fifth question.
Yes, fifth. This is written on the blackboard, fifth question from the 7.5.
Ma'am, Javed was given
Yes.
5/7 of basket of oranges.
Yes.
What fraction of oranges was left in the basket?
Yes. Now Javed was given 5/7. This is given information. What is the given information? Fraction given to you. Fraction of oranges is equal to 5/7. Now, Herman, tell me what is the meaning of this 7 in the denominator? What is the meaning of this 7 in the denominator?
Ma'am, it means there are total 7 oranges.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Very good
Five.
denominator. Yes. Denominator means total. So total number of oranges. Total number of oranges is equal to 7. It means because in fraction, in denominator we have total. So in the denominator 7 means 7 total oranges. Now Javed has given 5 out of 7. Javed, we have 7 total oranges. Javed को हमने 5 दे दिए, तो tell me the left oranges. Left.
Ma'am, 7 minus 5.
Left number of oranges. Very good. 7 minus 5 is 2. So in term of fraction, how can you write this in term of fraction?
Ma'am, we will write that 2/7.
We will write 2/7. Very good. Good response. Well done. Yes. So this is the way to solve the sum. Fraction of oranges 5/7. Denominator. In fraction, denominator will always represent total. So total number of oranges we have 7. Out of 7, 5 oranges with Javed. So how many oranges left? So 2 oranges left. So in fraction 2/7. Very good. Now come to the next. Now I am going to explain how can we add and subtract when the question is based on unlike fraction. Now the question is add 2/5 to 1/3.
Taking LCM.
This question is not for you. Tanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tanya, tell me the given fractions 2/5, 1/3. What is the nature of these fractions? These are which?
Ma'am, unlike fraction.
Very good.
Unlike-
These are add means 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3, and both are unlike fractions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, if the fractions are unlike, then what is the first step?
Ma'am, LCM.
Yes, LCM. If the fractions are unlike, then we will take the LCM. And one more thing, I am going to explain one more trick to you to find the LCM if the denominators are prime. All of you listen to me very, very carefully. 5 is a, check the denominators, because we have to find out the LCM of denominators. In fraction, our whole addition and subtraction is based on the denominators. So check. Here 5 is a prime number. Here 5 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. So when the denominators are prime, then we will find the LCM. We can also find the LCM by multiplication. This is the one method. You have this now. One method you have this. One method is of this prime factorization. What is the name of this method? The name of this method is prime factorization method. And for prime, the second method is this. This is the short method, second method. And when this method is applicable, when the denominators are prime. Note down very, very carefully. We will apply this multiplication method when the denominators are prime numbers. If the numbers are not prime numbers, then we will apply this method, prime factorization method. Now, Tanya, tell me what is the next step? LCM is 15 here.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the next step. Write with some space here. All of you, write with some space here. Now, the yes, tell me.
मैम जो LCM है मैम उसको 5 के साथ मैम डिवाइड करेंगे और ऊपर जो 2 है उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो उसका आंसर है.
Very good, very good. So LCM, this is 15. We will write here 15. Now in the table of 5, where you will observe 15, 5 3 the 15. 5 3 the 15. So 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6 plus. Now come to the next. In the table of 3, where you will observe this 15. In the table of 3.
And 5.
Yes, 3 5 da. So 1 multiplied by 5, 5. So it will give you 11 by 15. Good. So note down all of you. As the fractions are unlike fractions, so first of all we will find out the LCM. LCM right here. After that, observe, this is 5. Always start from the first number. You will not start from this side. Always start your calculation from left hand side. On left hand side we have 5. In the table of 5, 5 3 the 15. So you will multiply 2 with 3. In the table of 3, 3 5 the 15. So upper number numerator you will multiply by 5. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 15. So in the result you will write 11 by 5. Well done.
Ma'am, can I unmute mute myself?
Yes, yes. Now come to the next question. Sonam. Sonam, you are unmute? Yes. Sonam, solve. This is the next question. Solve 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. Now tell me, how can you solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will find the LCM.
Yes. First we will find the LCM. Now tell me, why will you find the LCM? What is the reason?
Ma'am, because the fractions are unlike fractions.
Because the given fractions are unlike fractions. Yes, very good. Now, tell me one more thing, Sonam. Can we find the LCM of 5 and 20 by the shortcut method, that is by 5 multiplied 20 is equal to 100? Is this correct? In the previous question, we have find the LCM of 5 and 3 by multiplication. Now, can we find the
Yes,
LCM by multiplication here?
Yes.
Very good, Chehak. Very good, Chehak. No. No. Because 520 is not a prime number. We will apply the multiplication rule if both the denominators are prime. But here 20 is not prime. Not prime. So multiplication, this shortcut multiplication method is not applicable. So we will find the LCM like this. I am repeating once again. Multiplication method is applicable if both the denominators are prime. But here 20 is not a prime number. So we are not able to apply shortcut method here. So you will find the LCM like this. First of all, in the table of 2, 5, 10. Again in the table of 2, 5, 5. Now 5, 1, 1. So LCM of 520 is equal to 2 multiply 5. That is 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. So right here 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. So 20. What is the LCM? 20. So write 20. In the table of 20, so now, in the table of 5, where you will observe this 20?
4.
5 for the 20. So 3 multiplied by 4, 12 minus. Now, in the table of 20, where you will observe this 20?
1.
So 7 multiplied by 1, 7. Now tell me the final answer. 12 minus 7.
5.
Yes, 5 by 20. Is 5 by 20 is the final result? Is this result is the final result, 5 by 20?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why 5 by 20 is not the final result? What is the reason? Very good, Akshara. Good response. Well done. Well done, Sanya. Cancellation, because the cancellation is possible here. 5 by 20 is not the final result because here cancellation is possible in the table of 5. 5 1 the 5, 5 4s are 20. So in the result, you will write 1 by 4. So this is the way to solve these kind of sums. Very good. Good response. Now, come to the next. Note down all of you. Then we will start next. Angel. Angel, are you hearing me? Sanya from the class 6th B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, Sanya, the next question for you. Third question. Now, the third question. 4 whole 2 by 3 plus 3 whole 1 by 4. Now, tell me, how can you solve this sum?
Ma'am, first we will convert it into improper fraction.
First of all, we will convert these two to the improper. 3 for the 12, 12 plus 2, 14 by 3 plus 4, 3 the 12 plus 1, 13 by 4. Now, denominator 3, denominator 4, so we will find out the LCM. LCM of 3 and 4 is equal to 12. Find out by yourself 12. So write here 12. In the table of 3, 3 for the 12. So 4, so the result is 56. Now 4, 3 the 12. So 39. So 95 by 12. Now Sanya, tell me, this is the final result? 95 by 12 is the final result?
No, ma'am.
Yes. No, we will divide it. We will divide it 95 by 12 and write down this in the mixed fraction. Now divide and tell me the answer in mixed fraction. Now divide 95 by 12 and give me the answer in the mixed fraction, because this is not the final step. Division is possible here. If the division is possible, then you have to convert this fraction to the mixed. First of all, 7, 84, 11. So write down 7, 11 by 12. So this is your final result. So note down. Homework I will send you through group or through Snap homework, and remaining questions we will discuss tomorrow. So note down this question.